So I wanted to try my luck learning how to play the piano by using two Android and iPhone apps to find out which one offers the best lessons. And since I already play the guitar, I don't consider myself a total beginner when it comes to music theory or reading sheet music. That being said, I really wanted to see which of these apps would be a better help to me on my mission to impress my wife by learning how to play the piano. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to compare two of the subscription services that I found to be really great ways to learn how to play the piano, which are Simply Piano and Playground Sessions. And I'll go through what they're like to use, how much they cost, and which one managed to help me out the most. And if at any point you decide that you want to try either of these apps, you can use the affiliate links that are down in the description. They don't cost you anything and you'll get a bit of a discount, which you wouldn't get if you went directly to either of their websites. So without further ado, let's begin this comparison video. Okay, so the first app I tried was Simply Piano, which is really designed for beginners with its bright colors and almost cartoonish sort of styles. So what you get is piano, guitar, or singing lessons by listening and learning, or what they call acoustic learning. And something that really made me appreciate this app is its feature called Music Sense, which can basically hear what you play or sing and gives you instant feedback on your performance. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is create an account on their website or download the app. It's pretty easy to do, and then you have to take their detailed quiz where you need to tell them your level, any goals that you might have going forward, and what genres that you like the most. Also, you have to tell them whether you have to have audio or visual instruction, or maybe a combination of both. Okay, so once you've completed their quiz, you'll get a rough estimate on how fast you're going to progress through the lessons. Now, Simply Piano does have a limited free version that gives you one free course in piano basics, but you'll need to subscribe to a 3-month individual plan that costs just under $60. But if you get the yearly premium individual plan, it costs $120, which means you'll only end up paying $10 a month. On top of that, they have the yearly family plan where you create 5 premium profiles and get access to both Simply Piano and Simply Guitar. It costs just under $180 a year or $15 per month. That being said, after you go through 25 courses that start with the basics, you then need to choose between 2 lesson plans. And if you'd like to focus on theory and technique, you'll be learning classical music. And if you go with chord lessons, you'll get to learn pop, jazz, and rock. Simply Piano also has explainer videos to help you better remember what you've learned as you go through your lessons. And this app really feels like you're playing a game instead of learning, which makes it a bit more fun in my opinion. You get 5-minute workout sessions using the on-screen keyboard to keep practicing between courses, and if you want to use it, there's printable sheet music as well. And before we move on to the next app, I just want to reiterate that if you want to give either of the apps that I'm talking about a try, you can use the affiliate links that are down in the description. They don't cost you anything and you get a bit of a discount, which you wouldn't get if you went directly to either of their websites. Okay, so now that we've covered Simply Piano, let's move on to Playground Sessions, which is an American app co-created by Quincy Jones and endorsed by several renowned musicians. This app stands out as an excellent choice for younger people due to its gamified sort of approach, making it really engaging by offering feedback with performance ratings, skill points, and other game-like features that make learning more enjoyable and motivating. And the app is accessible on desktop, tablet, and also mobile devices, but not through a browser, and it does not support acoustic pianos like other platforms do. Now, to use the app, you need a digital keyboard connected to your device. And if you don't have one, you can use a laptop keyboard, but it's not perfectly ideal for learning a piano. Playground Sessions is also one of the few beginner piano apps that offers a free trial without requiring a credit card. The process of downloading, creating an account, and starting the 7-day free trial is quick and pretty straightforward. You don't need to go through a quiz like you do with Simply Piano before you play. Okay. So the subscription plans are all backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, and there are more plans than the other apps offer. And month-to-month plans cost $20 per month, but if you opt for a yearly plan, the price comes all the way down to just $10 a month. And they also give you the option of a lifetime membership for a once-off payment of around $300, although your access to their really big library of over 1,000 popular songs is limited to just 2 years. Why they give you this option, I have no clue. Maybe it has to do with the copyrights, I don't know. The app's layout features a dashboard that tracks and analyzes your progress, quite similar to a game, like I mentioned, displaying completed sections, total overall playing time, and scores for overall note accuracy, accompanied by star ratings and special awards to keep you motivated. And look, to tell you the truth, these additional features did keep me more engaged, although sometimes I was a little more focused on getting a high score than actually improving in the music itself. Now, from the dashboard, you can access Bootcamp, which guides you through the basics and foundational skills in a structured path from rookie to intermediate and eventually advanced levels. The courses section offers extra lessons for additional practice. And lastly, there's the songs section, which gives you access to a huge library of sheet music and backing tracks arranged for all skill levels, including many royalty-free classics that you can download and print completely for free. So to sum things up, Simply Piano really helped me out because I got to learn how to play the piano and use both of my hands to play in less than about 2 weeks. And it does have a colorful design with lots of animations and sound effects, which might irritate some people, especially because you can't turn them off. And more experienced piano players might find it too simple for them. But on the other hand, it's more affordable even though it doesn't have a browser version. Now, Playground Sessions is an excellent user-friendly platform for beginners to learn and advance in their piano skills. Unless you use an acoustic piano or dislike gamified learning, you can easily progress beyond the basics to more advanced levels with engaging songs, valuable feedback, and motivating rewards. And lastly, just like with Simply Piano, you'll get access to explainer videos by real music teachers. But what really made me consider Playground Sessions was that even though it matches Simply Piano when it comes to pricing, you can get that lifetime membership for that once-off payment of around $300, which is something that other learning apps just don't offer. Okay, so this concludes my comparison video of Simply Piano and Playground Sessions, and I hope I was able to give you all the information that you guys need to be able to make your choice. If it was helpful or interesting, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see more of my reviews and comparisons. And like I said earlier, if you want to try any of these piano apps, check out the affiliate links that are left down in the description because you'll get a bit of a discount on each of them, which you wouldn't get if you went directly to any of their websites. And as always, I enjoy hearing your thoughts, and I'll try to get back to any comments or questions you leave down in the description as fast as I can. And finally, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.